This next one is stupid easy. You're in a hurry, you're in a pinch, you forget to make a pie, just do it this way. So we're gonna add the canned pumpkin, and then we're just gonna, again, blend it up. There we go. Blend it until it's smooth. So this is what makes this pie so easy. We're just gonna pop it in a parchment paper lined casserole dish. Pop that in the oven, let it set.
Fine, that's this guy.
Shazam, we have this.
Ta-da.
And then this, the great thing about this one is that the crust goes on top. So it's a graham cracker crust. I like to do some brown butter, again, some extra flavor. Then we're gonna add some graham cracker crumbs. And some more brown sugar.
And brown sugar.
So you can rebake it if you want it a little toasty. I always rebake it a little bit more, but you can also just eat it straight up if you're like in a real hurry.
But this one we rebaked, right? It's nice and toasty on top. I can feel it's nice and crisp on top. It's super simple to get out because it's totally parchment paper lined.
You can cut it. You can cut it like squares, but sometimes it takes too much time. Or you can
just
spoon it
scoop
out.
it.
Exactly.
It's gorgeous.
It's like a spoon cobbler.